Today's episode is Choni guesses which number block snore effect of the character's snoring, and this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Waves.
A mixture of 34 and 66. Between 75 and 95. Between 95 and 34. 75 and 34. 43, 95, 75, 66, 63, 99, and 93. 58, 75, and 34. A bit. 58 and 34. 75 and 53. 75 short version. 46 with some interrupts. 85 long whistle version. 58 and 85. 68 and 95. 53, 63 and 93. 52, 63 and 68. 68 low pitched. 85, 53 and 34. 99, 46, 92 and 43. 68 and 34. 99, 83 and 85. 85 kinda hilarious. 53, 85 and 43. 83, 53, 75 and 43. 75 high pitch. 68, 85 and 34. And I don't know what's with that. 42 and 61. 93 and 85. I don't know what's wrong with 85 because it goes pussy pee. 58 and 85 twice. Well, this is it for which number block snore effect is the character snoring. Stay tuned for episode 78.